To pay someone using a PayID through the Commonwealth Bank app, start by opening the app and logging into your account. Next, click on the Pay option at the bottom of the screen, which will bring up a window with 3 options. Select Pay Someone. This will take you to a screen listing all your bank accounts, mobile numbers, and previous transfers. Click the plus icon at the top of the screen. Then choose the relevant option for your PayID, whether it's a mobile number or email address. If your PayID is an email address, you can find this option by clicking More. Identify whether your PayID is a mobile number or email address, and select the corresponding option. You will then be prompted to enter your PayID, after which you can click Next, enter the amount you want to transfer, add a description or reference if needed, and click Next again. Your payment will then be completed. This process is quick and easy, and following these steps will allow you to pay someone using a PayID through the Commonwealth Bank app.